The Monogram Petite has a nice thick handle and short, fine bristles. The hairs are nice and flexible, so they work well for writing or small detail. I'm going to sign my name, adding water to your paint, or a fluid acrylic. Using a fluid acrylic, you'll need to water down your paint or use a fluid acrylic to allow the paint to flow off the brush easily. And I like to hold it just where it's starting to get thicker. Roll that brush to a nice fine point. Just barely let the tip touch the paper. I hold it very similar to a pencil. And if you lead the brush instead of pushing it, you'll get a much smoother line. You'll be able to do all sorts of lines in any direction that you choose. Be sure that you keep your water fresh, or keep your paints fresh. Because of the shorter bristles, it doesn't do a very long line, so you want to use it for smaller projects, and if you need a longer line, you will want to use a brush with the longer bristles.